Hi everyone, Keandra back for week 3 discussion about project scheduling. So let's get started. Okay, so today's big question, what types of information can we learn about the project by reviewing the project schedule and all the information used to generate it? For today's question, I took an example from vertex42.com of a website development project schedule. I chose this because I work in website development and I'm not familiar with actually using any type of project schedule. We more play it by ear, and I wanted to take a look at what it would look like if we use a more structured format for doing projects. So as you look at the schedule, what you will see is main task of inception phase, requirements phase, and specification phase. Each one of these tasks have been broken down into subtasks that have to be completed one after the other before the first initial task can be considered done and moved on to the second task and then the third task. Each subtask has a start date and end date. If you will notice at the start date and end date for the first phase, it is the beginning, it is the start of the first subtask and the end of the last subtask that makes up the main date for this first phase. So once all of these go through these things, we should end on, is that January 24th, 2011 maybe? Writing is really small. So looking at a schedule from an outside perspective, I can look and see exactly what needs to be accomplished and what needs to be accomplished. Like I can see when it needs to be accomplished and what needs to be accomplished. The only thing that I don't see that I would like if I were to make a schedule of my own is who needs to accomplish it. Because when you're working in a team environment, you need a point of reference of who's doing what in case you need to contact that person to say, hey, why did you do this? Why did you do that? And what was your reasoning behind it? So you want to know these things, and that's why I would want to include who did what as well as what and when. So thank you. That concludes today's discussion, and I hope everybody has a great week. Thanks.